Hey everyone, I'm Steel Lafferty with MasterCraft. Today, I'll be walking you through the largest model in our NXT family of towboats, the NXT24. With best-in-class weight performance, comfortable seating for up to 16, and the quality you expect from MasterCraft, the NXT24 is affordable luxury. The NXT24 features SurfStar, the industry's leading surf system thanks to its strength, accuracy, and ease of use. From steep and barreling to long and mellow, simply select a preset and the NXT24 creates the perfect wave to accommodate any riding style or skill level. And new for 2024, SurfStar includes built-in foiling profiles for both left and right side riders. Plus, the NXT24 delivers a premium experience behind the boat. Whether you're surfing or wakeboarding, it's a very balanced performer. New for 2024, the NXT24 offers more options to make your wave your way. Say goodbye to surf right and surf left. We've upgraded our surf software on the NXT family to give riders more customization. The new NXT24 now has 3 rapid surf wave options on each side to cater to all skill levels. The NXT24 comes with the option of a pop-up ski pylon for even more fun behind the boat. It makes it easy to hook up a tube, and you'll love that it easily raises and lowers with one small twist. When you're ready to get in and out of the water, your crew can do so with ease, thanks to an optional flip-down swim step on the NXT24. Premium comfort continues once inside the NXT24. With seating for up to 16 people, the NXT24 Cockpit provides plenty of space, underseat storage, and a built-in cooler location for a larger crew. Plus, an optional convertible flip seat allows passengers to enjoy a conversation in the boat or watch the action behind it. Don't forget, you can keep your family cool on the hottest of days with an upgrade to Cool Feel, a unique material that stays up to 30% cooler than the standard marine vinyl. With MasterCraft, there's no need to shy away from those dark vinyl options that fit best with your custom boat design. We've got you covered. New for 2024, the NXT24 now comes standard with our advanced audio package. 6 speakers and a subwoofer are spread throughout the boat for high-quality acoustic entertainment. A second subwoofer can be added under the helm area for an even better experience. And to really set the vibe for nighttime cove hangs, the NXT24 now has optional cockpit ring lights. The NXT24 comes equipped with MasterCraft's Z6 tower. The Z6 tower comes standard with easy-to-use, redesigned clamping board racks. Option for silver or black racks to customize your tower and tie it into your design. Combined with our updated Bimini board storage, you're getting 10 spots for boards, the most storage in the industry. To enhance your ride, load your tower with up to 4 speakers for the ultimate experience behind the boat. Lastly, the tower speakers can be upgraded to our new M80 cans, featuring 8.5-inch drivers, a new offering for the 2024 model year. New for 2024, the NXT24 has a completely refreshed dash for an amazing experience behind the wheel. An intuitive 7-inch touchscreen display replaces our previous 4.3-inch display. This really elevates the entire helm experience. With an updated SurfStar interface, NXT24 captains now have visual surf wave graphics and wave control built right into the dash. Plus, the NXT24 dash now has integrated music controls, eliminating the need for separate radio controls. And all boat controls are also built into the new display, giving the captain full control of everything they need in one place. New for 2024, captains now have a standard wireless phone charger in the NXT24 helm to keep their phone fully powered. And you can add 4 additional wireless chargers in the cockpit for your crew. The NXT24 comes standard with Telematics, allowing remote access to your boat's health and vitals anywhere in the world, all through the MasterCraft Connect app. The Telematics box installed in your NXT24 shows critical boat data like battery and fuel levels, build status, and engine health, all while keeping your local dealer up to speed with all your service needs. And new for 2024, digital switching is integrated into Telematics, meaning you can remotely control your boat's battery switch. Plus, you can receive notifications for critical alarms and GPS geofencing alerts. The pickle fork bow of the NXT24 provides plenty of lounging room for a larger crew. An open walkway leads into the bow, where you can opt for a filler cushion if playpen seating works better for your family's lifestyle. Lastly, there's plentiful storage throughout the bow. We have dedicated anchor storage on centerline. The NXT24 is handcrafted, developed with the highest quality materials, and tested relentlessly. Using the best materials in the build process ensures that we deliver an unparalleled ride and drive, and undoubtedly the best on-water experience there is. With the NXT24, you also receive the option of a custom trailer to match your boat. Choose your own colors, wheels, graphics, and opt for a backup camera, electronic brakes, or a tire pressure monitoring system for a premium towing experience. We also partner with premium companies to bring you the best products possible, like Ilmor Marine. Ilmor, a brand that's famous for hand-building race car engines, is the exclusive engine supplier for MasterCraft. Our engines are backed with an unrivaled warranty, 7 years or 1,000 hours. Reliability doesn't stop once a MasterCraft boat leaves the factory. Our award-winning dealer network is spread across the country and the world to ensure that you get the best customer experience out there. And each boat comes standard with MasterCare, the best warranty on the water, featuring a 5-year, 500-hour comprehensive warranty with minimal exclusions. Thanks for joining me today to learn more about the NXT24. Whether you're new to boating or you're looking for an upgrade, the NXT24 offers the experience you expect from MasterCraft, all at the price point you're looking for. To learn more about the NXT24, please contact your local MasterCraft dealer or head to mastercraft.com.